Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Based on a post from WP Tavern and Make WordPress Announcements, today we're listing a few features of the latest WordPress 5.4 update for developers. Block developers can now use the Collections API to group blocks by namespace. So if you search for a specific block, you can find other blocks of the same collection in the results. WordPress 5.4 lets your theme use gradients as backgrounds in cover and buttons blocks provided by a new gradient API. Some blocks had their HTML structure updated, like the calendar block, and a few CSS classes were renamed from blocks, losing redundant wrappers and also simplifying block margins. All these changes were introduced to improve the editor in WordPress. Have you tried the full screen layout? Are you enjoying it? Let us know in the comments and have a great weekend!